Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from China from Lao Lu Tao, I don't know, spicy beef soup. So, what is spicy beef soup comprised of, you ask? Well, let me show you. You have noodles, which is, what do you call it? Vegetables. Sweet potato thread, that's what I was trying to say. These weird little cylindrical things. Powder. And paste. Perfect. That's back over here. And now we add a copious amount of liquid up to this line. Here we go. Love it when that happens. We slap a lid on it. Lid. 5 minutes. Starting now. Alright. Oh my god. It's just like run, go, go, go. I get a little bit of chill for 5 minutes, and then it's back to it. And then I get like gunk on my glasses. That's no good. Oh crap, I'm not wearing glasses and I'm on camera. This is a rare thing. Here, watch this. It'll get even weirder. Yep. Alright. Tell your kids about that, because you'll probably never see that again. But yeah. 4 minutes and 5 seconds to go. That's right here. Maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. I hope you can. Oh, I don't even have that on. But I don't even have to have it on at the moment, because it knows what it's doing. Yeah, you can see that very well. Oh. So, I have a new problem. In addition to all my old problems. What is that, you may ask? I need to get new pants, man. My pants are getting too big. Or, yeah, my pants are growing. Or I'm shrinking. Or both are happening at an alarming rate. I don't know, but I have to upgrade. Get more pants. But in the last week, the time to do so has not availed itself to me. So that's kind of where I'm at with pants. I don't have new pants. I need new pants. But I haven't any new pants. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah. We went to the Woof by Woof West down in Seattle yesterday. That's the Seattle Kennel Club's dog show. Thought the kids would absolutely love it. Unfortunately, they just weren't into it. Oh, I've made a mess, haven't I? Yeah, they weren't really into it. They were like, ugh. Where's Daniel Tiger? Daniel Tiger. Where's Daniel Tiger? They're like, I don't know. I don't think Mr. Rogers would be okay with what's happened. Daniel Tiger was a very, like, aloof and very fearful character. and would talk about his emotions all the time. Well, this Daniel Tiger is a very passive-aggressive, pushy, loud, ridiculous character. But, I mean, the kids love the show, but good God, if you're a parent and you've watched Daniel Tiger a whole bunch, you gotta recognize there's some serious issues. It's like, first off, Trolley. It's great, there's Trolley. Trolley's a, you know, comes over from the original Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, land of make-believe. However, when you think about it, have you ever seen Trolley going without Daniel Tiger or his family on it? Daniel Tiger is always on Trolley if you see Trolley moving for the most part. If Daniel Tiger doesn't ride Trolley, the neighborhood of make-believe has no transit. And I think there's something to be said about that. It's like, you know, Prince Tuesday's there, he'll clean up Trolley and stuff. So, and the family, the Daniel Tiger family and the royal family, I mean, the kids play together. I think that they kind of have the rest of the town by the throat. Now, one thing, too, that you should know is that, remember, there was a guy in original, Cornflake Especially, and he ran the clock factory. Well, Daniel Tiger's father works now at the clock factory, which is great. Cool. You never hear or see anything about Cornflake Especially, who is quite possibly the most fascinating character of the original show. So you're probably thinking, dude, are you insane? Do you have this much time to think about these things? Well, when all your children do is say Daniel Tiger all the time, you try to find ways to make fun of the show. I mean, really, it's just what happens. That's a parental thing. I know somebody's gonna go like, hey, la, 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 la. And I'm gonna be like, dude, it's a weird thing. Tastes like a bag. It tastes good. The texture is like some kind of weird bag. Vermicelli, yo. Let's get this rolling here. I think it's laughable what they're calling this spicy beef compared to the spicy beef varieties I've had out of China before. It's nice. I would almost go it's more of a savory beef. Oh, wow. And again, I've got some beef from the Korean grocery that I'm going to slap in here. And I'm just going to drop it straight in. And it's pretty cold, so it's not going to hot pot up. It's going to need external heat, which I am going to let it have momentarily once I transfer this into the pot again. Give it a little pinchy pinch. Alright, I'm standing up. I'm doing it without. Yeah! It's getting windy outside. Groovy. Get a paper towel. It's kind of funny. It got too cold to walk today, but hopefully tomorrow it won't. And it's actually not tomorrow. Yeah. But it's gonna start getting into like in the 60s around here. Ooh, heat wave! Oh my God! Let me tell you, I'm ready for it. I think it'll be nice to be able to walk and have it be nice weather, not have to wear a coat. Just walk around in a t-shirt. But I mean, I gotta start getting like new t-shirts now. These things are like floods or whatever not floods, but tents. I guess whatever I'm doing right, you know. So this is March when I did this. You're probably gonna see this in April after the top 10 annual list came out. If you haven't seen it yet, go look at it or else. There's a lot of new good stuff that's gonna be on there. Honestly, I haven't even, at this point in the game, I haven't even made the list up yet, but the list is done. I mean, there's not gonna be any new stuff from, God, maybe like 2 weeks ago or on, I don't know. But not a lot of new stuff. I've tried what I'm gonna try for the year. Everybody always wants to get something in at the last minute, which I think is great, you know, but I think officially, and unfortunately this is not the way to like deliver some official information, but I'll do it here anyways. Officially, the cutoff for the top 10 annual big of all time of everything list is going to be, I come out with the list in April, January, end of January. I think that would be like the easiest way to go. Alright. There we go. Yeah, that mung bean, or not mung bean, but, what do you call this stuff? Sweet potato thread. Thank you. It's really good and it's really weird and it's definitely an acquired taste. If you don't like it, you're really not gonna like it. And it looks funny. You know what I mean? Come on. Sometimes the funny looking stuff is really good though. Let's see if I can dredge up a nice biff. Come here, Biff. Biffy Biff. Oh, you're all hanging out underneath there, aren't you? Yeah, this beef is really, really good. And it just takes like nothing to cook it. See, that's like almost overcooked right there. But yeah. There you go. Something from China. Something to try. If you find it. I found this up in Canada at China World. Probably not going to find it down here in the States, sadly enough. But I mean, look around, try stuff you'd never think of trying, because you'd be surprised. Honestly, I didn't expect I'd like this one. I like this one. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.